So what happens when you come to Magical Manwa, the undiscovered jewel in the Aquasail fleet and the Aquasail sailing centers? It's just a hop, skip and a jump away from Bombay. 7 nautical miles, 30 minutes by speedboat, 1 hour by ferry. Serene, beautiful, comfortable place, fully equipped with shower rooms, a lovely open air area, a place for you to project stuff that you want, talk about team building, talk about fun, give away the certificates. So everything under one roof. Then you just walk to the beach, which is a minute and a half away from here, and you come the fleet of Aquasail boats, colorful dinghies, catamarans, kayaks, windsurfers, and we call it the Beach Sailing Fiesta. So a typical program is where you leave at 8:15 in the morning. Let's say if you're taking the ferry, the most economical way of traveling, 8:15 to 9 is a ferry ride. You want to take a speedboat, start later, come earlier, etc. You come across here, have a wonderful breakfast, change, assemble, make your teams, have a conversation. You're warmly welcomed by the team. You can have an opening speech by the person you want from your company. You can welcome your clients. Or if it's a team building program, then we talk about what we are going to experience through the day, and we talk about the context of life, business and sailing. Then we walk down to the beach and we do kayak racing. It's fun. It's exciting. If you have 40 people, for example, 4 teams, 10 people in a team, and you race the kayaks in a relay race. Having finished that, which takes about 30 minutes to 45 minutes to an hour, depending on the number of races, the amount of breaks, the conversations you have in between, we get into the most joyful, delightful beach sailing fiesta. Sail the fun boat, sail the kayak, sail the Bravo, sail the catamaran. Then have a hearty barbecue lunch and go for what is the signature tune of Aquasail, the regatta. So get onto these lovely 25-foot sailing yachts, learn how to sail, learn to work as a team. It's fun, it's full of learning, it's challenging, it's rewarding, and you race the boats against each other. Come back finally to this wonderful place, shower, change, have a high tea. If it's a team building program, do a debrief, understand, link your experience to what you've learned, whether it's teamwork, collaboration, synergies, all of it, or certificate giving, photographs, prize distribution, cake cutting, and then in the sunset, go back to Bombay, or of course get into a bus or your cars and go to a hotel somewhere in Alibag. That is a one day of pure fun, thrill, adventure, excitement, memories and learning. All just a few minutes away from Mumbai. Come do an offsite in Magical Manwa only with Aquasail.